Have you ever sat in a group, everyone laughing, talking, full energy, and you're just there, quiet, thinking, why am I not like them? I used to think something was wrong with me. Like, why do I feel drained after hanging out? Why do I enjoy being alone more than parties? Why does small talk feel so exhausting? But here's the truth no one tells you. Being an introvert is not a weakness. You've just been using it the wrong way. Think about this. You have exams coming up. You want to study, but instead you're scrolling your phone, watching random videos, avoiding people, avoiding work, and then at night, you feel guilty, not because you're lazy, but because your energy feels off. That's what most introverts struggle with. Not a lack of ability, but a lack of energy management. So here's the first step. Protect your energy like it's money. As an introvert, your energy is limited. Every unnecessary conversation, every forced interaction, every distraction, it drains you. Start asking yourself, is this worth my energy? If not, it's okay to say no. Because when you save your energy, you can finally use it where it matters. Second, use your alone time properly. Most people think introverts are automatically productive when alone. But that's not true. Sometimes we just overthink or escape into our phones. Instead, give your alone time a purpose. Study for 25 minutes, take a break, then repeat. No pressure, just consistency. That's how quiet people build loud success. And third, stop comparing yourself to extroverts. You don't need to be the loudest person in the room to be the most powerful. Introverts observe more, think deeper, and focus better. That's your advantage. Use it. You don't have to change who you are. You just have to understand it. So remember this. Protect your energy. Use your alone time with intention. And stop trying to be someone you're not. If you're an introvert watching this, you're not behind. You're just building differently. Start today. One focused session. One small win. And let's grow quietly but powerfully.